First of all, wine is not just a liquid which you drink, it's a whole history. And as you know, the Georgian wines represent the cradle of wine. This is where wine was started 6,000 years ago. And the history in itself is a very important element in the Georgian wine.
Harvest party in Georgia is a very old tradition, dating back almost as long as you've made wine in Georgia, 8,000 years we claim. It's always been extremely important, and even more so now, I think, when Georgia is really searching for its own identity, to set its own path forward, and there is this feel that Georgians have a need to continue to show that they have a happy, prosperous and positive future.
So every year we do the harvest party here, and we invite our supporters, loyal, let's say, consumers of Château Mukhrani wines, people who appreciate the quality of Château Mukhrani wines. And this year we had a good harvest, and we are celebrating that all year work has given the good results.